Here's the bathroom. It's got all the white mastic on it still, which Dad says will flake right off. It looks really good against the new sink handles especially. Got nice and close to the light switches. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. Say hi to Lemon. This is her favorite place to hang out now. Well, say hi to my mom.
Hi. Be able to receive compensation without ever going to court or filing a lawsuit. Thousands of hardworking men and women have been diagnosed with mesothelioma because manufacturers put profits ahead of safety. Manufacturers knew the risks of asbestos exposure for years, but knowingly manufactured and sold deadly asbestos-containing materials, putting millions of American workers at risk. These manufacturers have tried to avoid compensating their victims.
Taking a video to send.
An estimated $30 billion in trust money for the victims of asbestos. Call now to see if you're entitled to a portion of the $30 billion. You could receive compensation without filing a lawsuit or going to court.
Call 1-800-830-9494 now for a free legal consultation. Again, that's 1-800-830-9494.
Here's this bathroom. Pretty sharp.
To try and restore some lost luster to the ultimate luxury vehicle, we've each designed one-of-a-kind limos.
And I'm gonna have my mirror up there. That's it.